Assalamu alaikum. Now today we are making pizza omelette. It is special for breakfast. The ingredients we need: eggs 3, onion chopped 2 to 3, green chili 4 to 5, tomato sliced 1, tomato chopped 2 to 3, potatoes in chip shape 2, and spices: salt, red chili, turmeric powder, cumin seeds and coriander powder. Let's start. First of all, we will make chips of the potatoes. Let's fry them. First of all, I will take a frying pan, add some oil in it and add chopped onion in frying pan. We will cook it till golden brown color. The potato chips is ready. We will keep it aside. The onion is now transparent, light golden color. Now at this stage, I will add chopped tomatoes in it. And cook it for 2 minutes. Now I will beat the egg and add 1 pinch of salt in it and beat the egg. Now tomatoes become soft. At this stage, I will add green chilies and spices in it. You can see that tomatoes water is not completely dried. At this stage, I will add little bit of eggs. I add half eggs in it and level it. Now I will make a layer of chips on this egg layer. Now I made a thick layer of chips on the mixture or onion and tomato. Now I will add eggs on it, remaining eggs, and I will spread it equally. Now I will arrange tomato slices on egg layer. I have arranged all tomato slices on egg and I will cover it for 5 to 10 minutes on very low heat. After 5 to 7 minutes, I will check it. The egg is completely cooked or not. If it's not completely cooked, it will take 2 or 3 minutes more. We will cover it again. After 2 to 3 minutes, I will check it again. Wow, it's ready. Now I will dish it out. The pizza omelette is ready. Let's cut it in pizza shape. Thank you for watching.